Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use the built-in ruler on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let's have a look. First, open Settings app on your smartphone. In Settings, scroll down and tap Display. Again, scroll down and tap Edge Panels. Turn on Edge Panels. Now tap Panels. Just slide on the panels and choose Tools. Go back and you will see under Panels, Apps and Tools. Now go back to home screen and close Settings app. To use ruler on Samsung Galaxy smartphone, go to the home screen of your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Simply swipe the screen to the left from the edge screen. Swipe again and you will see compass. Tap three dots on top. Then select ruler. Now the ruler is ready right off the Samsung device's edge screen. You can tap cm to change inch. So these are the steps to use the built-in ruler on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.